Alright, I'm now alert mode. This is the first tornado watch of the day. It is for, I'll just read it. Tornado watch outline update for WT5 National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center, Norman, Oklahoma, 5:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Sunday, January 22nd, 2012. Tornado watch number 5 is in effect until 12 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties. The Tennessee counties included are Crockett, Gibson, Lake, Albion, Weakley, Differ, Hardeman, Lauderdale, Shelby, Fayette, Haywood, Madison, and Tipton. The Mississippi counties included are Benton, Coahoma, Holmes, LeFlore, Panola, Tallahatchie, Washington, Bolivar, DeSoto, Humphreys, Marshall, Quitman, Tate, Yalusha, Carroll, Grenada, Lafayette, Montgomery, Sunflower, and Tunica. The Arkansas counties are Arkansas, Calhoun, Cleveland, Cross, Drew, Greene, Jefferson, Lincoln, Monroe, Piansett, Randolph, White, Ashley, Chickett, Craighead, Dallas, Faulkner, Independence, Lanoke, Ouachita, Prairie, Saline, Woodruff, Bradley, Clay, Crittenden, Desha, Grant, Jackson, Lee, Mississippi, Phillips, Pulaski, and St. Francis. And in Missouri for right now, Dunklin and Pemscott. Alright, those are all the counties for that first tornado watch, which I told you guys that watch will be issued within the next 2 hours in my last video. And that tornado watch is issued, and now it is in this circle that I'm using with my mouse. I told you by 5 o'clock that should have been issued, and now it's issued. Tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather. Stay tuned to your local news channel, NOAA Weather Radio, the Weather Channel, and all other outlet sources of information. Stay tuned to Mr. Coast Skip 577. Tornado watches until 12 a.m.